Owning a pet is pure joy, but it also comes with hair, mess, and endless little challenges. The good news is that a few clever tricks can make daily life with your cat or dog so much easier. In this video, we're sharing 20 simple, safe, and genius pet hacks. Every one of them is gentle, affordable, and ready to try today. When your dog gets bored or anxious, a stuffed rubber toy is a lifesaver. Fill it with plain wet food or a little pet-safe peanut butter, then freeze it overnight. The frozen treat takes much longer to lick out, keeping your dog calm and focused. It is perfect for crate time or when you leave the house. Litter box odors can take over a room fast. Sprinkle a thin, light layer of plain baking soda into the bottom of the box before adding fresh litter. It naturally absorbs smells without any harsh perfumes that can bother sensitive noses. Use only a small amount so it stays gentle and pet-safe. Bath time and grooming can stress many pets out. Smear a little wet food or plain yogurt onto a silicone lick mat and stick it to the wall or tub. The repetitive licking releases calming hormones and keeps your pet happily distracted. Suddenly, nail trims and baths become far less of a battle. If your pet gulps food awkwardly or has a stiff neck, try raising their bowls. Setting food and water at chest height encourages a more natural posture while eating. This can ease strain on the neck and joints, especially for older or larger dogs. It also keeps the feeding area tidier. Muddy paws are one of the messiest parts of pet ownership. Keep an absorbent microfiber towel right by the door where you come and go. Give each paw a quick wipe before your pet runs through the house. It saves your floors and stops dirty paw prints before they start. Pets need mental exercise just as much as physical activity. Scatter a handful of their kibble into the folds of a snuffle mat. Sniffing out each piece taps into natural foraging instincts and burns mental energy. It is a brilliant way to slow fast eaters and ease boredom. Pets lose interest in toys they see every single day. Instead of buying new ones, keep half of the toys hidden away in a box. Every week or two, swap the available toys with the stored ones. The rotated toys feel brand new again and reignite your pet's excitement. Many cats and dogs simply do not drink enough water from a still bowl. A pet water fountain keeps the water moving, which naturally attracts them to drink more. Better hydration supports healthy kidneys and urinary tracts, especially in cats. Just remember to clean and refill it regularly. You can make a free puzzle feeder using a muffin tin and tennis balls. Drop a few treats or some kibble into the cups, then cover each one with a ball. Your pet has to nudge and lift the balls to find the reward. It is a fun, brain-boosting game made from things you already own. Before you toss that delivery box, give it to your cat first. Cats feel safe and cozy in enclosed spaces that mimic a natural hiding spot. A simple cardboard box becomes a favorite napping nook and stress reliever. Cut a doorway or add a soft blanket to make it even better. During heat waves, pets struggle to cool down on their own. Dampen a towel with cool water and lay it flat on the floor for them to rest on. The cool surface helps draw heat away from their belly and paws. Always keep fresh water nearby and never leave pets in hot, closed spaces. Indoor cats often nibble on houseplants, and many common plants are toxic. Grow a small pot of safe cat grass like wheat or oat grass instead. It gives them a satisfying, healthy snack that can aid digestion. Place it somewhere easy to reach and watch them happily graze. Nail trims and ear cleaning can be tricky with a wiggly pet. Gently wrap your cat or small dog in a soft towel, leaving one paw or area free. This snug wrap helps them feel secure and stay still without any force. Keep it loose and calm and reward them with a treat afterward. And there you have it, 20 simple hacks to make life with your pet easier and happier. Try a few this week and see how much smoother your routine becomes. If these tips helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe for more. Drop your own favorite pet hack in the comments, and thanks for watching.